And now for our burping contest. Challenging Randy.
And now we meet the challenger. Challenger, say a word. Now back to the champ. Champ, what do you have to say about tonight's contest?
Let's go to the proud mother of the champ.
Mother, how do you feel about your daughter?
I'm embarrassed. I thought I brought her up better.
Hey, we missed that one. Champ, I think you're being outdone. Wait a minute.
Think so?
Go like this. You missed it again. And now for the mother to
What? Get away from me, Randy.
And now for the mother to burp.
Yeah. Go ahead, Mom. Burp. Give it a try. Go. Do it. Let it rip. Go. Sorry. Go for it. Give it a try. You can do it. I know you got a burp in you. Come on. Let it out.
This one is crazy.
Oh, look, Randy. More CHS students just walked in.
Okay. Let's tape it.
They don't know you very good, do they?
Sorry. I want to keep that one.
Sorry,
I
guys.
can never let Put this in your purse. Put this in your purse.
You made me start laughing. I almost spit it back into my glass.
That's sick. I need to stop.
Oh, God. I don't know what I'm doing here. These movies are just absolutely out of it.
You know what's really bad? It's like when you have a burp. I hate that. Where you go? Anybody ever had one of those? We're gonna play Bill Cosby. Well, I really